In this video, I aim to advocate why cultivating a robust social media presence is not merely beneficial, but truly remarkable for men. I understand this perspective contradicts prevalent advice in the self-improvement domain, but I urge you to consider my rationale before critiquing in the comments. Social media serves as a formidable tool, allowing you unprecedented control over how others perceive you. The ability to curate the image you project to the world, essentially making you the author of your own narrative. Given this tremendous power, why would one willingly relinquish such a potent tool? Firstly, let's address the prevailing argument against social media, its perceived superficiality. While this is acknowledged, it's crucial to recognize that first impressions, encountered in job interviews and the realm of dating, are inherently superficial as well. Social media, therefore, functions as a personalized portfolio, a compilation of your finest moments, ideas, and achievements, enabling you to craft a compelling first impression. Consider why many self-improvement influencers suggest deleting social media, an apparent contradiction as they emphasize the value of knowledge over materialism, while concurrently encouraging followership on various platforms. Critics of social media often cite superficial reasons for their aversion, such as leading an uninteresting life or lacking a social circle. However, the mundane and relatable aspects of life, like morning coffee rituals or walks to the gym, can be worth sharing. Posting such moments may even incentivize individuals to venture out more frequently if they commit to sharing a few interesting stories per week. Moreover, the absence of a robust social circle can contribute to an isolating experience on social media. Paradoxically, social media can serve as a gateway to expanding both online and offline social circles by engaging in communities aligned with personal interests. The fear of wasting time is another common reason people cite for eschewing social media. However, any activity can be a time sink if not approached purposefully. The key lies in purposeful use, actively curating your feed, sharing updates, and engaging with your network, treating it as a supplement rather than the focal point of your life. Social media, when used purposefully, can elevate you in various ways. It serves as social proof, especially in dating scenarios where a well-curated profile can establish you as a normal and interesting individual. Personal branding is another aspect. Consciously presenting yourself on social media contributes to personal branding, not only in corporate contexts, but also in relationships and friendships. Engaging with social media becomes an avenue for knowledge acquisition, learning from others, and sharing one's insights. This channel, for instance, originated from such an engagement, leading to the acquisition of valuable skills. In essence, social media, whether embraced or not, has become a necessity in contemporary society. A Reddit thread discussing the importance of social media in having a social life resonates with the reality that people, especially women, often assess individuals through their Instagram profiles. Acknowledging this reality doesn't necessarily imply blind acceptance, but rather a conscious effort to engage with social media in a healthy manner, extracting as many positive elements as possible. Subscribe to the channel and like this video if it was useful and exciting. Send your comments on what topic you would like the video to be on. See you in the new videos.